I've had 30 years in heating and clean tech. It's really great to obviously come and see your facility, meet the engineers, see the units available and on test, and get hands-on with it to see really what's involved in the installation. What you've achieved is unique. The fact that you've baked in battery storage to an electric combi boiler that gives you basically the same hot water performance as a gas combi is the inventive step, and it's really unique and really impressive. There's a big push for electrification of heat, and I'm a big fan of heat pumps, but heat pumps are not going to be suitable for every application, particularly in the smaller properties with flats. You're really space constrained. You don't even have space for a hot water tank. So a unit that's the usual combi boiler size form factor is exactly what's needed.